They are punk rockers. The new craze, they tell me. They're heroes, not the nice, clean Rolling Stones. You see, they are as drunk as I am. They are clean by comparison. They are a group called the Sex Pistols, and I am surrounded by all of them. I am told that group have received £40,000 from a record company. Doesn't that seem, to be slightly opposed to their anti-materialistic view of life?
No, the more the merrier.
Really?
Affirmative.
Well, tell me more then.
We've fucking spent it, ain't we?
I don't know, have you?
Affirmative, it has all gone.
Really?
Down the boozer.
Really? Good lord. Now I want to know one thing.
What?
Are you serious, or are you just making me, trying to make me laugh?
Negatory, it has all gone.
Really?
Affirmative.
No, but I mean about what you're doing.
Affirmative.
You are serious?
Indeed.
Beethoven, Mozart, Bach and Brahms have all died.
They are all heroes of ours, ain't they?
Really? What were you saying, sir?
They are wonderful people.
Are they?
Oh yes, they really turn us on.
Well, suppose they turn other people on.
That's just their tough shit.
It's what?
Nothing. A rude word. Next question.
No, what was the rude word?
Shit. I said the word shit.
Good heavens, you frighten me to death.
Oh, alright. Siegfried.
This gentleman is like your father, or should I perhaps say, your grandfather.
What about you girls behind? Are you worried, or are you just enjoying yourself?
Enjoying myself.
Are you?
Affirmative.
Ah, that's what I thought you were doing.
I have always wanted to meet you.
Really?
Affirmative.
We'll meet afterwards, shall we?
You dirty sod. You dirty old man.
Well, keep going, Chief. Keep going. Go on, you've got another 5 seconds. Say something outrageous.
You dirty bastard.
Go on, again.
You dirty fucker.
What a clever boy.
What a fucking rotter.
Well, that's it for tonight. The other rocker, Emon, and I'm saying nothing else about him, will be back tomorrow. I'll be seeing you soon. I hope I'm not seeing you again. From me, though, good night. Transmission ends.